Come on, I don't want cover you. I don't want cover you.
So then they stand on top of this one, they chop. See, I stand and press and for them.
Hi! Survival of the fittest.
To pull mouth, they just a match.
Survival of the fittest. Here are the layers that are being fed right now. As you can see, they're all busy eating, like they've not eaten before. This is like the second round. This is the second round. So this is them. This is AY feeding them.
I know they feed them.
Feeding them. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Take a look at him. See? You can see the peppers. Can you see them? This is them trying to connect the drip for the greenhouse.
Guys, Fred, carry down on Macy. Men go use that if you know what.
So this is the greenhouse pepper. It has green. It is very nice. Like this is just the perfect. This is a very perfect greenhouse, pepper greenhouse. So these are the layers. Look at them feeding. Can you see them? Look at them feeding. Damn, they eat too much. Like they eat too much. Look at them. You know, since I stressed like this, I'm fucking stressed. Like so stressed. I would have gone like long time ago, but look at them. Guys, trust you guys are doing fine. So today, yesterday I made a video of my last day at Basin Authority Farm. So today I'm at Atlabio Kubik Farm, and I'm just reporting. This is my first day of reporting, and man, it wasn't funny. Like it wasn't funny. The road, not just the road, let me forget about the road aspect. Like it's so, I don't know the right words to use. Like when I was coming, I was like, is this where I will walk? Even though like the first day I came here to lay the bases, like we were actually brought here to lay the bases, and kind of periphery. But today is actually my first day of and the road, the everything, like everything here, it's really not what I expected. It's not really what I expected. There's no place to get anything. Let me show you guys now. There's no place to get anything. Like if you want to get anything here, you can't. Just take a look at. That's the road there. You can't even buy anything. Like look. You can't even, like, there's no place for you to say, I want to get something, I want to eat. It's not possible. Like this place is really, really whack. Take a look at. Those are the buildings there. I mean, I'm not really okay with what I'm seeing, but like I don't have a choice because this is something I have to do. This is something I have to do. Okay. So guys, that's just it. And I think with time I'm gonna, update you guys on the things I've noticed so far and everything. But in Basin, I didn't really get the time. Not really that I didn't have the time to do it, but my system wasn't really I haven't really adjusted to the whole stuff. So, but now, since I've gotten a first experience of the whole thing, if Joe, like, Basin was really, really fair. Basin was like the best. Like I started with the best, and getting here, I'm like, can this be like basin? But I'm trusting that everything is going to work out fine. So that just it, God just it, guys. That just it. Please wish me well, wish me well, wish me well, and I love you guys. I'll keep you guys posted. Guys, let me take you guys around little for you to see what your baby girl is here for. So this is the cucumber. This is the cucumber sides. It has been staked already, as you can see. It has been staked already, and it has started flowering, as you can see. And here is the water leaf bed. This is a water leaf bed. This is a water leaf bed. This is really coming up. It's coming up. I just want to show you guys a little of what your baby girl is here for, and the things I'm going to be doing. Okay. This is I'm seeing, what's it called? This is the tomatoes. This is the tomatoes. Can you see the tomatoes? This is the tomatoes, and okay, this has not been staked because of they are too tender. It has not come up to the point of staking. This is it. I'm still going to show you guys. Okay, this is another tomatoes. Wow, these ones are really fine. These ones are really fine, man. Take a look at them. Take a look at them. This is kind of a mixture of tomatoes and cucumber. This is it. Oh, Father Lord, into your
woke up groggy, but I'm feeling fresh. Hey, you got me at my best. Morning grind, motivation boost. Start the day with that perfect juice. Splash some water, let that skin glow bright. Dreaming big, cause my future's light. On the grind, no time to waste. Every day is a feast to taste. Meet hey, you changing lives online. Motivation flowing like a sweet fine wine from Nigeria. With a heart so pure, I'm waking up better, that's for sure. Routine locked, steady like a clock. Inspiration flying right around the block. Don't look back, new day's begun. Gonna shine like the morning sun. Skin so smooth, feeling so alive. With the morning breeze, I'm ready to thrive. Day by day, step by step. In hey, you're we invest.